Hello, it's CraftyRia. Welcome to another video. Today I have this really awesome kit of air dry clay by Ixiaoyoo. They sent this to me to review and I am going to share it with you. I will open it, I will show you what's in it, I will give you my honest review on it, and it is available on Amazon. I will have the link below. Currently, at the time of filming this video, it is on sale, so you might want to grab it pretty quickly. All right. It is a pretty large box, as you can tell. This is what it looks like. Here's an example of some projects that you could make. This is the back of the box. And this is air dry clay. It is not the kind that you have to bake in the oven. Okay, so let's open this up and see what is inside. It says there's 100 colors. Let's do it. Here we go. This is what we have inside. They send you a bunch of little Ziploc baggies, which is great for storing the clay because it is air dry clay, and you will want to make sure that you store it in an airtight package. And they send you some tools to work with. You have a little knife. These are plastic tools. You have a little knife. And it looks like a little scooper. It has something on both sides. And of course you can use any tools you have for clay. And then you have this one. It has a little serrated edge. It comes with a book, a manual, and it shows you how to mix the clays and how to play with the clay. And then it has some patterns for making certain items. You can make a starfish, a crab, a mushroom, watermelon, a rabbit, a flower, a dinosaur, ice cream. Don't eat it though. A tank. That looks quite involved. A puppy, a dolphin. That looks more like a whale. I think that's really a whale. Santa Claus, mermaid. Santa's quite cute, also looks involved. A caterpillar, very cute. I love his little hat. Octopus. I am secretly an octopus. If you listen to the song at the beginning of the video. Donuts, hamburger. Don't eat them. Either do not eat donut, do not eat the hamburger. Succulent plants. So, and then here are pictures of the projects. So in the box here you have 100 colors. As you can see, there is quite a variety, and it is 2 layers thick, 2 layers high. So you can see all of these fantastic colors. Some are bright colors. It's like this. Bright blues and oranges, hot pink. There's a couple of those. There might be some repetitions, or they may vary slightly. We have, of course, my favorite color, purple. So there are a bunch of colors in here. We have some neon colors. Kids would love this. And then you have some regular colors. You have like this mossy green color. Bright colors. You have your white and your black. So all of these awesome colors. I'm going to take one of these greens and I'm going to open it. And I will show you what the clay is like. This pack here was opened. No, actually, it's not open. There is a piece. Um, don't mind that noise. That is Ripley dropping her toy, her bone outside my door. There is a piece that got stuck to the outside in manufacturing, and this is what it's like when it is cured. She's, I don't think it's her bone. I think she has her plate out there. I don't know what she's doing out there, but it is soft and pliable. It is um neat. And then the clay in this is still usable. So let me put these back. Let me open up this green one. Hint, hint, my first project's going to use green. That's why I picked it. I don't want to open any that I'm not going to use. Let me move this box out of the way. And I will open this. I'll have one of these ready to put it in when I am done, because I don't want it to dry out. I gotta smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't have a weird odor at all. So it is soft and pliable, kind of almost a slime feel, rubbery feel. It's easy to work with, as you can see. You can take a piece off. As you can see how it, when you rip it, it kind of snaps. You can roll it out. You can mash it up and flatten it out. If you had a roller, what could I use as a roller? Will this work? Yeah, you could use something like this and roll it out flat. And then you can use your tools and like cut into it. This one here has that serrated edge. It's kind of a neat, it makes a neat effect on it. And then of course the knife would be for cutting it. So anyway, there you go. That is your clay. It feels really cool. And I lost my piece that was already hardened. It hardens to a very soft, pliable clay. It's not crumbly like a Play-Doh or something. So this is really cool. It does not leave the color behind on your hands. It does not stick to your hands. It's cool. I cannot wait to work with it. I'm really excited. My first project is going to be something using green, and you can easily mix more than one color together if need be. And then I will kind of flatten it out a little bit, and I will stick it in this baggie so it does not dry out. I'm just laughing at Ripley the dog. That's my dog out there, Ripley, making all of that noise. I don't know what she has. I'm afraid to open the door and look. Okay, so there. So I would suggest trying to squeeze out as much of the air out of the bag as you can to make your open ones last longer. That's probably her dinner bowl. Welcome to the life of a dog owner. Okay, let's close this up. Thank you for watching. I will put the link in the description box below. It's currently on sale for 20% off on Amazon. Please use my link so that they know I sent you. They sent me this box for free to review for them. Oh, here's the piece that was dry. And it is pliable when it's dry, so very cool. I'm going to make a project in another video, so please watch out for that. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down there. Ripley, the dog, would love it if you did. Also, please leave a thumbs up and then let your friends know about it. I have a couple of Facebook groups. One of them, I bring you deals like this. So it's Crafty Deals and Steals. I have a page and a group. Feel free to join that. Also, if you're a crafter and would like to, chat with other crafters, go to Create with CraftyRia. Is a wonderful group that everybody there is so friendly and awesome. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.